Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning meet of IndiaNivesh. This is Mehul Kothari from the research desk. Today is 4th Feb 2020. Well, yesterday the domestic markets ended their 3-day selling streak. The benchmarks kicked off the week on a flat note and remained steady throughout the session to end with decent rise. The index Nifty managed to safeguard the 11,600 support and closed well above 11,700 mark with a rise of around 50 odd points. Meanwhile, the Nifty Bank Index registered an intraday low of 29,600 but managed to close well above 30,000 mark with a rise of around 200 points. The market breadth yesterday remained in the favor of declining counters right from the beginning of the session with 625 advances versus 1034 declines. On the sectoral front, apart from Nifty PSU Bank, Nifty IT and Nifty Pharma, all the other group indices managed to close in green. Among the gainers, the Nifty Media and Nifty Realty counters ended with decent upside. The broader market indices like Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 ended with a change of minus 0.14% to plus 1.08%. So coming to the derivatives data, until Saturday there was heavy selling in index futures by the FIs, but yesterday they covered some of their short positions in index futures and added some long positions. In options, they remain neutral by buying both call and put options. So if we see in rupee terms, FI bought index futures of around 400 crores, while in index options they were buyer of around 3000 crores. So basically, this buying of 3000 crore in options is neutral because they have bought call option also and put option also. So there is no significant bias on either side. In cash segment, if we see, FIs were seller of around 1200 crores yesterday, while DIs bought equities 1287 crores. So basically, what has happened on Saturday, we witnessed heavy selling of around 350 points in Nifty. But the FII provisional data was only 1200 crores. So everyone was assuming that FIIs were absent on Saturday and they sold only 1200 crores of equities. But when we looked at the confirmed data, because 1200 crore was provisional one, but that actual selling was around 4300 crores. So Saturday selling also was huge. On Friday also they sold around 4000 crores worth of equities, and in Saturday's session also there was a selling of around 4000 crores. Coming back to derivatives, yesterday's price action of Nifty future was positive with marginal change in open interest. So the volumes were also okay. So this indicates only intraday participation. There was no carry forward of any kind of positions. The premium of Nifty future is still and there is no premium. That is, the discount earlier was 7 points on Saturday. Post yesterday's closing, the discount is now at 5 points. The PCR is below 1.00 level, so this is a bit comforting because generally this kind of PCR can lead to some small bounce in the market. As per the Nifty option chain, if we see, the overall open interest on the downside is at the highest open interest you can say is in 11,500 strike put of around 2.3 million shares, which can act as support in the coming sessions. While on the upside, the heaviest OI built-up is at 11,800 call options of around 2.3 million shares for this week. So as of now, 11,800 is an immediate resistance as per the derivatives data. Coming back to the technicals, we had a view on Saturday itself because we recommended BTH in Nifty futures. We had a view of a bounce. So yesterday, though that bounce materialized, we initiated a buy in Nifty. The target was met. Even we initiated a buy in Bank Nifty yesterday. Even that target has been hit. So now what's next? Because as of now, 11,750 is a strong hurdle for Nifty, which is yesterday's high. So once Nifty starts trading above that 11,750 odd levels, then we can see further pullback in the markets, which can pull the index towards 11,850 to 11,900 mark. And in Bank Nifty, we see 30,100 was acting as a strong resistance yesterday. So that needs to be clear in today's session. So any sustainable move above 30,100 in spot Bank Nifty could lead to further short covering towards 30,400 to 30,600 levels. On the stock front, yesterday we recommended Force Motors, so we are bullish on Force Motors. One can look forward to buy this stock on dips. Another stock is Concor, which is looking good, and third stock is Bharti Airtel, which we have already discussed yesterday. So Bharti is also gaining strength, and it can again retest 530, 540 odd levels. So with this, we end today's morning conference and podcast, since Mr. Dharmesh Kant is not available today. So that's it. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a happy and profitable trading session. Thank you.